Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So Samke, the new wife, the fifth wife of Mosamseleko, posted a snippet video on her stories of Umacele meeting her child with their husband and their first child together, right? And it's a baby girl, and congratulations to Samke, of course, right? But I remember Umayeni on the reality show saying that Umacele is acting like Mosamseluku's mother-in-law, which she told Samke when they met that I am not your mother-in-law because she is also the wife of Mosamseleku. She said that she's only fulfilling her husband's dreams of having a big family and extending their family, right? And in my mind, I was like, seeing the relationship of Matkele and the other wives, I would advise Usamke to be careful around this woman. Yeah, it's for now because of, the water is still lukewarm, it's still nice, everything is still fresh. But in the long run, I don't think it will work well for her because it hasn't worked well for the other wives. Because after observing, when they go out for vacations, when Matkale is not there, the wives seems to lighten up around each other, the kids are around each other. But once Matkale comes, it seems like it's always bad vibes when she's there, and probably that's the reason why she's always excluding herself, because she has also said on the reality show that she doesn't want to be in anyone's way. But Usamke will learn how to stand on her own by herself, like all the other wives are doing. Everybody's looking out for themselves, and I think she should, and she shouldn't really depend on Umatlele too much in this polygamy because it's not gonna work well for her in a long run. Okay, guys. So please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.